At MacroView, we are about making business users and teams happy when they are using SharePoint to manage their documents and emails. We do this by having excellent integration between SharePoint and Microsoft Office, particularly Outlook. Business users prefer the way MacroView lets them view and navigate around a document store in SharePoint Online or on-premises SharePoint server. The navigation experience is much more familiar and intuitive than navigating with the native web browser UI for SharePoint. Here's the MacroView pane in Microsoft Outlook. It provides a tree view of SharePoint that makes working with SharePoint feel as familiar as working with Windows File Explorer. The MacroView tree view is complete, it's accurate, and best of all, it's automatic. Importantly, MacroView navigation is quick and efficient no matter how large the document store gets. MacroView recognizes that a great user experience means being able to drag and drop. So we let you drag and drop to save emails and attachments to SharePoint, to upload files to SharePoint from a Windows folder, to move and copy files around in SharePoint, and even to retrieve files from SharePoint and insert them as attachments. Dragging and dropping to save emails is good, but it's even better when emails are saved automatically as they are received and sent, such as by MacroView's email filing rules and predictive email filing module. We also recognize that business users find it frustrating when they are prompted to supply metadata every time they save a document or email, which is why MacroView does a lot to enable automatic metadata capture. The easy-to-navigate MacroView tree is a great help in this regard, as is the way we automatically record email attributes and the file system attributes such as author and created date without prompting the user. Business users love the way MacroView lets them search for documents and emails in SharePoint. They can search using metadata and/or content while they continue to work in Microsoft Outlook or Word, Excel or PowerPoint. They can preview a search result, open it, and see related documents and emails. MacroView search panels can be custom configured to reflect the way you use metadata. It's so much more convenient and intuitive than having to leave the Office application where you are working and jump out to the web browser. MacroView enhances and extends the native document management capabilities of SharePoint so that SharePoint meets the document management needs of advanced users, for example, those working in a law firm or legal department. The enhanced document management features of MacroView include unique document numbering, versioning, document level security, auditing, and compliance. MacroView designs its software to be highly configurable and readily customizable, because our experience tells us that every business is different, and to maximize user productivity, you need to ensure that document solutions are well tailored to the specific requirements of those users. At MacroView, we believe that managing a document starts when you generate a document, so we also offer world-class solutions for document preparation and document assembly, all based on Microsoft Office and SharePoint. For more information about how MacroView makes business users happy when using SharePoint to manage and generate their documents and emails, check out macroview365.com or contact MacroView using these details.